So now once you get into the test, you'll see that the screen is split into two sides. On the left-hand side, you'll see that gives you the information that you need to be able to answer the question on the right-hand side. You can scroll back and forth, up and down. And on the right-hand side, you can look at there's part A, there's part B, part C, and sometimes there's goes all the way down to parts E and F and G. So just take your time, work your way through it. There's a couple of options that provides you. If you just want to look at the document on the screen, you click these two little arrows and it will slide the screen back and forth. Also, as you're reading the text on this side, let's say you want to look at this part and remember that part. You go up to these little three lines, click down and highlight the selection. And if you realize, oops, I didn't really want to select that part or highlight it, you just go ahead and take away that highlighting. It also gives you access to a calculator up top here and any sort of notes that you want to do if you want to jot down any notes for any reason. When you start calculating things in the calculator, the answer pops up on the right-hand side. So you put your numbers here, the answers will pop up on the right. If the text is too small on your Chromebook, go ahead and hit the zoom in button. You can make it a little bit bigger, or zoom out, make it a little smaller. You do have to go through and answer all parts of the question that it gives you. Some of these have drop down little menus there that you have to select from. You do have to answer every part before you move on to the next question. You'll notice when you get to the bottom of part C, or whatever the part of this question is, it doesn't say, hey, how do I move on to the next question? You have to go over here and hit next. You hit next, and then I'll bring you over to question number 2. All right, we wish you the best of luck.